Hi everyone, welcome to the Tech Basis channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add poll in the Slack. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to the browser and type poly.ai and enter. Go to the bottom, try it free, and select the bottom add to poly to Slack, and you have the option to choose your channel. So poly is requesting permission to access your workspace, so you have to allow it. Now, welcome to Poly. Add Poly now the Slack to get started. So click continue button. And then, what do you plan to use for Poly? So you want to play or work? So basically I want to do Poly for the work. So I choose work. So I choose for team management. Press the button, finish up. Now go back to your channel and you have it. Poly has been added in your channel. After the app is installed, you can start creating a new poll. Now remember to keep your poll engaging and relevant to your audience to encourage participation and gather value inside. Follow these simple steps to add poll on your Slack workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.